Good morning, dear students. Today we will dealing with the concept of information, teaching, instruction, training, and the difference between knowledge and information and teaching and training with forms of next topic in my series of lectures about knowledge. Please refer to my other video lectures for the other topics in this unit. Information. Information is a set of data that is processed in a meaningful way according to the given requirement. It is processed, structured, or presented in a given context to make it meaningful and useful. Information assigns meaning and improves the reliability of the data. It helps to ensure undesirability and reduces uncertainty. Therefore, when the data is transformed into information, it never has any useless details. It includes data that possess context, relevance, and purpose. It also involves the manipulation of raw data, which eventually becomes knowledge. Characteristics of information. The main characteristics of information are accuracy, completeness, relevance, and availability. Information is said to be facts provided or learned about someone or something. No defined connection between ideas. Its availability to the right person at the right time. Enhance learning. The difference between knowledge and information. Knowledge is a combination of information, experience, and insight that helps the individual or the organization. It is linked to doing and implies know how and understanding. Knowledge is possessed by each individual and is an outcome of his or her experience. It also covers the norms to evaluate new inputs from his surroundings. However, information is processed data, whereas knowledge is information that is modeled to be useful. We need information to be able to get knowledge. Information deals with the way data is related while knowledge examines pattern within a given set of information. To get knowledge, we need some cognitive and analytical ability, while for information, you do not need cognitive ability. Teaching. Teaching is defined as conveying knowledge, guiding the study of a content area, or exhibiting how something works. Teaching is a process intended for learning by including a behavioral changes in the taught. It is an art of communicating a message with impact on the audience. Teaching is causing people to learn. Teaching is a kind of mentoring. In teaching, an interaction occurs between the teacher and the students, as a result of which the students are diverted towards the objectives. In other words, the main element of teaching, that is, the mutual relationship or the interaction between the teacher and the student, advances the students toward objectives. Teaching is the process of the magistrate to people's needs, experiences, and feelings, and interposing so that they learn appropriate things and so beyond the given. It's all about serving people to absorb, develop, and obtain knowledge, statistics, and expertise. More beneficial when shared, and teaching is appreciable as it communicates knowledge to others. S.C. Morrison has said that teaching is an innate contact between a more mature personality and less mature one, which is designed further the education later. Thus, Teaching is the activity in which knowledge is transmitted from someone who has acquired that knowledge to beginner learners. Instruction. Instruction does not involve the instruction between the teacher and the student. Still, in instruction can divert the student towards objectives. The main difference between teaching and instruction is that the teaching includes instruction, but the instruction does include teaching. Hence, the teaching is instruction, but the instruction is not teaching. In spite of this, all three cognitive, affective, and psychomotor aspects of the students can be replacing the teaching. In short, instruction is that process which diverts the students toward the objective aspects. Training. Training is a more practical feature of learning. Learning is a new skill or improving one's knowledge within a job environment is the essence of training. The training seeks to inform by step instruction, repetitive drills, and supervised practice of skills. Developing a new skill or enhancing one's knowledge and understanding within a specified atmosphere is the crucial factor of training. Training helps in unlocking the hidden talents among the people, which until then not realized apart from making the people highly creative and competent. Training is a skill customarily used in concern to build a person's skill, knowledge and frame of mind to meet the endorsed standard by the specific corporation. Difference between teaching and training. The main difference between teaching and training is that teaching is a way to convey information that helps student to gain knowledge, while training is the act of increasing the skills of a person for doing a particular job. The goal of teaching is to promote learning and goal of training is to ensure self-development. Teaching will improve our command and training will teach how to use our command. Teaching produces new knowledge to the people. Training is the process of gripping information and contracting it with the ambition of increasing skills and abilities to attain objectives. Teaching makes mind. Training shapes convention and helps the earlier educated people to learn the mechanism and skills to apply the same. Teaching places pressure on education, knowledge and perception with a longer period. Training lays stress on expertise and abilities with a shorter period. Teaching gives a considerable place with slight knowledge in general. Training gives thorough information about a lean domain. Teacher gives information, knowledge, occurrence, trainer smooth the path of learning. The teacher usually generates the need to know, the understanding for students training. The student himself comes towards for the knowledge as he recognizes the need to know. Nature of teaching is being another to know. The nature of training is another to do. Teaching may associate in the subject area. Training may associate to functional area. Teaching normally mentions to classroom learning. Training including various games, behaves, reflection, methods, etc. Teaching is mostly apparently adapted whereas training is an applied. Training gives concentrated information about a finite concern, whereas training gives meaningful domains with slight knowledge in general. Teaching provides new expertise to the people while training helps the formerly appreciative people to learn the tools and techniques to apply the same. Normally, the teacher contributes a response to students. On the other hand, the trainer gets a response from trainees. Teachers gives description and feedback to learners to observe progress. Trainers are given reaction from the trainees to rise on their performance. During training, a person enrolls how to do a certain task, unlike education, which teaches about the common concepts. Typically, training usually has a more discrete target than teaching, which seeks to impress a broad knowledge over a longer period. Teaching is usually generous in focus than training. Teaching is mostly within the context of the intellectual world, while training is generally linked with the commercial extent. Teaching deals with a subject or theme, while training deals with a mission or function. Thank you and have a good day.